In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gelato with Shopify. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find the Gelato app in Shopify and install it confidently, so you're set up for seamless print-on-demand fulfillment. Start by opening the Shopify website in your web browser and sign in to your store's admin. It's best to use a desktop or laptop for this, since the admin is easier to navigate on a larger screen. Once you're in the Shopify dashboard, look to the left-hand side for the navigation menu. Find the Apps option and click it. This is where you manage all the tools and integrations that extend your store's capabilities. On the Apps page, you'll see options to explore more apps. Use the search to enter the word Gelato. You're looking for the official Gelato app, which connects your store to Gelato's global print-on-demand network, so products can be produced and shipped on demand. Before you proceed, it's a good habit to confirm you've selected the correct app by checking the developer name, reading the description, and scanning recent reviews. This helps ensure you're installing the legitimate app and that it aligns with your needs. When you've found the Gelato listing, click it to open the app's details page. Here, take a moment to review the overview, key features, and any pricing information or usage fees. Understanding permissions is important too. Shopify will show what the app needs access to, such as products or orders, so the integration can function properly. If everything looks good and matches what you expect from a print-on-demand partner, go ahead and click Install. Shopify will prompt you to confirm the installation. Make sure you're installing it on the correct store if you manage more than one. Approve the permissions to continue. The installation usually takes only a few moments. When it's done, you'll be taken to the Gelato interface within Shopify, where the app is now ready to be used. A few quick tips as you finish up. Keep your internet connection stable during installation, bookmark the apps page for quick access later, and note any onboarding checklist the app presents after installation. If you see prompts to review terms or app settings, simply follow them at your own pace. They're designed to help you get oriented without rushing you through anything you're not ready to change. That's it. You've opened Shopify, clicked Apps, searched for Gelato, selected it, and installed it. You're all set to move forward with Gelato in your Shopify store whenever you're ready.